Hey everybody, it's me, Pineapple Vegan. Welcome back to my channel. I recently uploaded a picture or video of me making some vegan chicken fried steak. I knew what I was doing by posting the video. I knew y'all was gonna want it, so I can't even be mad. I knew it. I knew it. So I'm here to give y'all what y'all want. I'm gonna show y'all how to make my vegan chicken fried steak using my homemade seitan. Not Satan's hands, not Satan. Seitan. Say it with me. Seitan. Use your vowels, okay? So this is our Vital Wheat gluten. I do have some extra in there, but it's my secret, so I can't tell y'all. And then next we have some breadcrumbs. You can use plain, breadcrumbs, or you can use the Italian breadcrumbs. And I used both. So you add the breadcrumbs. Then we're gonna add these spices. So I don't know if you guys can see all these spices I have in here. I'm not gonna tell you all of them. Sorry.
The secret formula is
salt, regular table salt.
I have some onion powder in here, paprika, pink Himalayan sea salt, Creole seasoning, and poultry seasoning. Now, if you don't have poultry seasoning, you can actually use sage. And then cracked black pepper. Use as much or as little as you want. We're gonna just mix that up really well. Okay, so we're gonna set this to the side. You can use either a half a cup of broth, or what I like to do is I like to use a little bit of lukewarm water, and I use the Better Than Bouillon roasted garlic base. It is vegan, and you literally only need a little bit like that. And just kind of mix it in there till it dissolves. Mix it. Y'all are probably so confused. Y'all are wondering how this is about to be chicken fried steak. If you don't know now, then you go find out. Okay, so it's pretty dissolved now. So now you can use either soy sauce or liquid aminos. I'm using liquid aminos, and I added a little bit of Worcestershire sauce and one other sauce, and I'm not telling you. Okay, so set that to the side. And now we are going to get some cooked chickpeas or garbanzo beans. So these are cooked. This is about 2 cups, which is 1 full can, okay? Just 1 can. And we're gonna add a little bit of oil of your choice. I'm gonna use grapeseed oil today. But you can use olive oil, coconut oil. It's really up to you. And all we're gonna do is mash them until there are no whole ones left. They are kind of hard to mash, so you have to put your back into it. You're gonna like mash. Okay, so now that you have these chickpeas all mashed up, you're just gonna add it to all of your dry ingredients. And you're gonna just make like this clunky dough. And what you're gonna do now is add your wet ingredients to your dry ingredients. And then you're going to combine. I'm gonna use the fork first, and then I'm gonna put my hands in it and get real nasty. After you combined it with the fork, now it's time to put your hands in there. And y'all, it's not fun. Unless you're just nasty, you like to play in your food. We're just gonna knead it into a ball of dough. You should be doing this for about 4 to 7 minutes. Just make sure you combine it really well. This is my strong hand.
tickle, tickle, beep boop on the nose.
Now we're gonna put it on our board, and it should look like a big old ball of happiness. Cause y'all, it's so good. And you're about to see why I said make sure you mash up the chickpeas really good. It's okay if you have a few pieces, because obviously I do, but I'm about to show you guys how it's supposed to look, okay? Okay, so this is how it's supposed to look. And just keep kneading it, and folding it into itself. Now I'm gonna just like put it into this big pile as I keep kneading it. This is very important, you guys. You have to make sure you're kneading it enough. And what we're looking for is for the yeast to be activated. And how you'll know it's activated is when you pull it apart, it'll look stringy. It's getting there, not quite. And all we're gonna do is pull off big pieces. Maybe the size of your fist. Okay, you guys, all of the balls are rolled up. And I'm just gonna let them sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, so I have a helper now, and he wants to help me. So we're gonna take our cutlets one at a time, and we're just gonna use this pen to roll them out, okay, into patties. Now I know, baby. First of all, his name is Jace. Say hi, Jace.
Hi.
So I have to use a pastry rolling pin because I don't have an actual rolling pin. I know y'all, I'm gonna get one. Or y'all could buy me one. So let's start rolling. So what I'm gonna do is just do this. I hold one end and I just roll it out, okay? And then you just turn it the other way. It is cool. Because it turns into meat. Vegan meat.
How is it turn into vegan meat?
It's magic. Okay, so that's the first one. So it doesn't have to be fancy, all pretty or nothing. What are you doing, mama? You trying to sneak? And etc. Are you trying to leave?
The beast is coming for you.
We're gonna transform to this plate.
The beast is coming.
I love that movie, Jace. I wish you could see it. It's a little scary. You wanna try? So we have to push. Use this hand to push down. And we're gonna roll it. Good job. Good job, baby. Okay, let me try the other side. This particular seitan, we're not going to boil or steam it. All I'm doing is like fixing the edges so they're more rounded and not as rough. So it looks more like a cutlet. Now we're gonna just keep going until we flatten all of them, okay?
What's that with?
Seasoning.
Seasoning the chicken. Oh, I'm in the kitchen.
Oh.
Seasoning that chicken.
Oh. Hey, dab. Mini dab, dab.
I need to tell you something. Mama dances when she eats.
No, I don't.
Yes, she does.
No, I don't.
Yes, she does.
No, I don't.
She does.
No, I don't.
So soon I'm gonna have my channel. It's gonna be called Jay's Vegan. I'm gonna make sandwiches and cereal. And Mama's gonna be not here.
Jace, what are you doing? Are
I'm
you trying to steal my audience?
Yeah.
You trying to steal? He's trying to steal y'all from me. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna actually cover the cutlets until my oil is heated through. And this time, I'm not gonna use canola or vegetable oil. I'm gonna fry them in grapeseed oil. Okay, you guys, we're gonna let this oil heat up and then we'll start, okay? While our oil is heating up, I'm gonna start getting my dredging ready. So I'm gonna put some flour on a plate. It doesn't have to be a plate, it can be a bowl, but it needs to be pretty deep. We have our flour, and you can use any type of flour that you want. You don't have to use regular flour. I know it's not that healthy for you, so whatever. But I'm gonna put some cracked black pepper. And for our wet mixture, that lovely ranch that we made in another video. Turmeric, just a sprinkle. Onion powder, regular mustard, hot sauce of your choice. If you don't want it spicy, you could leave this out. We like spicy over here. Okay? Okay. Like a bird. More cracked black pepper. Just gonna mix that up really good. It's gonna look like this. I think I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of flour in here just to make it a little thicker. Okay, so use one hand for wet, one hand for dry. Since my main hand is my right hand, I'm gonna use my left hand for wet. And and my right hand for dry. And you just want to coat it really well.
Wet hand?
Yep, wet hand, dry hand.
Dry hand.
While you're cooking these, make sure that your oven is preheating, because even though we're frying them, we finish them in the oven.
Is it done yet?
Mm-mm.
Not yet.
Not
Is it done yet?
Not yet. Okay, so we're just gonna basically brown it like you would regular chicken fried steak. You wanna let the bottom side brown really well, and then you're gonna flip it over. And we're just gonna repeat the process. Dip it in the wet, then the dry, then fry. The burner was not getting hot enough for the oil. It got hot, but not hot enough. So I'm gonna finish it on the stove. But basically, I'm just gonna brown each side. And I'm gonna show you how they look after I brown them, because I'm gonna bring them over here. Then I'm gonna put them in the oven, and I'm gonna finish them in the oven. All right, guys, so it's all done and plated. Look how delicious that looks. And also, I made some homemade red smashed potatoes and some greens as well. So yeah, let's try that. So inside of the meat, hold please. So this is the inside of the meat. Now let's taste it. It's good. Oh wow. So did, girl. I did that. Don't you try to jump out. Oh my gosh. It pairs perfectly with the mashed red potatoes and the greens. Real Southern style. I love it. Here. Here. Psych! I'm gonna do that again, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. That was mean. No, here, for real, for real. Here, let me. I'm gonna give y'all some for real this time. Here. Here. Psych! Guess you gotta make it. Sorry. My kids are behind the camera, boying me, mama. All right, you guys, so if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, if you want to see more videos like this, just let me know. Let me know what you want me to make. Send me your suggestions in my comment section below. And as I said earlier, all of the ingredients with the measurement amounts will be in the description box as well. All right, you guys, thank you for watching. And until next time, stay greedy, my friends.
What?
Wait, how do you do the other one? How do you do the other one? Is it like that?
This is our weird family.
Okay,
come on, just shoot. Come on, Mom, you can do this. Oh my God.
Really, Mom?
Alright,
I know how to do
that's
it too.
Excellent.
Thank you.
Excellent.